Hey, it's week 10 of the 12 fiber gifts of Christmas. I cannot believe that it's December, first of all. I know that you all have your Christmas shopping complete, right? You've decorated your house, you've baked cookies, and you've sung carols, and everything's just perfect. And you've got it all together and coordinated and tidy. And I desperately need somebody to have it all together and coordinated because I do not. We have a visitor. And I think we're just going to keep on keeping on. Is that okay?
Cool. It's cool.
It's week 10.
We're just shooting a video for YouTube.
It's a little chaotic here in the shop, but that's all right. Let's keep on moving. We're not going to stop. Don't Stop Me Now. It's my favorite Queen song, actually. Okay. Anyway, week 10, 12 fiber gifts of Christmas. Let's see what it is this week. It's a pickle jar. No, it's not really a pickle jar. Just kidding. It is actually a Wool Tincture dye jar. It's really nice. First of all, you do get this lovely glass jar. Put your change in it, put your stuff in it. I'm a big fan. Let's open it up and see what's in it. It comes to us with a really nice skein of 100% merino wool, and it's super wash. It's soft, it's smooth, it's springy, it's clean, it's perfect for dyeing. It comes with a stir stick. Ooh. It comes with a color pack of dyes, and they're nicely packaged in this sealed envelope so they're not going to spill out all over your wool. Let's see. Oh, it comes with a color card, and it also has instructions and a pattern for this really cute little hat. It is the Kenning's swatch cap, and it's really actually a nice little cap. So you're going to be able to knit it, you're going to be able to dye it, and you got a jar at the end that you can use again, or I don't know, put some fireflies in, whatever you want to do. This is a great little kit. It is 15% off, which is a pretty good deal, especially since you can use it and reuse it and reuse it, and you can use the pattern as much as you want. I think this is a good one. If you've got somebody that's interested in learning how to dye but isn't sure and is maybe overwhelmed by how big of a process it could be, this is really contained and small and is a great way to get started for beginners or just have a fun little project for somebody that's an experienced dyer. And that's it. Week 10. Sorry for the chaos, but such is the life of retail at Christmas. We'll see you next week.